Gathering at the J6 prison in Washington, D.C. January 6th. Hostages are being held in that building right there. In this building to the right. And this is Ashley Babbitt's mom is putting this on. And she's here every day in August till the 30th. And we're going to read the Constitution. There's Sherry and her wonderful dog.
First Amendment first, and then we're going to
Glory.
do the Sixth Amendment
Big D and
So,
Hippie Mama. There's Doug.
A round of applause for America.
Yeah, baby. We love America. We love our freedom.
This is where we're going to read the First Amendment and the Second Amendment real quick.
What was that again?
We're going to read the First Amendment and the Second Amendment real quick. My name is Tommy Tatum. Amendment 1. Congress shall make no law of respecting and establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or of the right of the people to peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievance.
Hurrah!